Hi everyone! Today I am going to do a mini review of this Chanel classic flat bag. Mine is in medium size in calfskin, also called caviar because that little texture on the calfskin looks like the little caviar. At the back there is the Mona Lisa pocket. Here is the CC turn lock. And over here, there is a zip pocket. That's where Coco Chanel used to hide her secret love letters. And I also keep one love letter inside that pocket. And after all that many years of use, the inside burgundy color is still very new. And this classic Chanel is really versatile. I can wear this bag in 3 different ways. I'll show you how to make it into a top handle. To change this shoulder bag into a top handle, you only need a very smooth ribbon. Because you don't want anything rough, it will scratch the leather inside. So here you go. I have a top handle Chanel classic flap. If you don't tie it too tight, you can also got enough room to put it through to the crook of your arms. I can also pull the chain to one side, become a crossbody bag. And I'm hands-free. I can hold little Romeo and we can go shopping together. Pull the chain back to normal, and that's our classic shoulder bag. Now I'm going to show you what can fit inside the bag. First is my wallet, my iPhone XS. I'm using it to film, that's why I'm using the case. The tissue, this is my collagen drink 50 ml. It fits inside the bag too. Hand sanitizer, a lipstick, foundation compact powder, car key, house key, and this is my sunglasses with the case. It fits quite a lot if you pack wisely. My next video will be on a small size and a mini size. Don't miss out. Please subscribe and like. See you next time.